Welcome to our MediaViz AI app tutorial video series. In this video, we'll walk through updating your profile information and settings. We'll mainly be working within this menu to get you set up and ready to utilize the MediaViz app for all your media needs. In the settings section, you can build out your profile, team, privacy information, and billing. You can contact us through this link. This will allow you to download our photo uploader. You'll need the desktop tool to create your first collection, which we'll walk through in the next video. You can read through frequently asked questions here. If you run into any issues, we have an easy way to report problems and get help. Now let's go into the settings and build out a profile together. First, let's upload a profile photo. This is especially helpful when working with teams in the MediaViz app. Choose your photo, then drag as needed to make sure you're happy with the placement within the circle. Now let's switch to the Security tab. Here, you can change your password and decide on any two-factor authentication. We give you 3 ways to utilize two-factor authentication so you can ensure your profile is secure. And lastly, we have our Privacy tab. At MediaViz, we take your privacy seriously, so we give you a variety of options to maintain control of your own data. You can delete your personal information and your photos at any time. If you changed any settings, make sure you click the Save button before moving on. Now, you're ready to upload photos for your first collection. I'll walk through the uploading process in the next video.